Welcome. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to build an OCR using Tesseract engine in Python. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install and use Tesseract. Now, what is an OCR? OCR, short for Optical Character Reader, is a system that transforms a two-dimensional image of a text that could contain machine-printed or handwritten text from its image representation into machine-readable text. OCR as a process generally consists of several sub-processes to perform as accurately as possible. The sub-processes are pre-processing of the image, text localization, character segmentation, character recognition, and post-processing. Tesseract is an open source text recognition engine available under Apache 2.0 license. It can be used directly or using an API to extract printed text from images. It supports a wide variety of languages. You can download Tesseract from any website, but I will be downloading it from here. I will post the link in the description. I myself will be downloading Tesseract 4, or if you want, you can download any other version you want. After downloading it, open the application, then wait for it to launch. After that, select the language and get on with the process. Here you can download additional languages or any scripts if you want, but since I don't want to download any, I'll simply go to the next process. As you can see, there are many languages and many scripts to download. After doing that, just and there you go, download complete. Actually utilize Tesseract, we have to add it to the system variables. We'll go here, then open path, then we'll create a new one, and we'll actually need the address to the uh, file. Copy that, then add a new path and save it, and you're done. Now you can use it from command prompt as well. Now I'll show you how to actually use Tesseract. For this, I have prepared two images. First is text, next other is number. So this is our text image. Now let's see if our Tesseract can read it. We'll go to command prompt. We'll type in Tesseract, name of the image, and its extension with std output. So as you can see, it is given us this output, and it can clearly read this image. Now let's check it for the other one. Okay, so this is the image. We'll go to command prompt and we'll type it again, the name of the image, its extension std out, and it is given us an output. Let's see how accurate it is. So yeah, most of it is same, and except for the last digit. As you can see, our output is not 100% accurate, because for this we have to actually train our Tesseract in this type of font, which I'll teach you in another video.